Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more recipes. In today's video we are going to make vegetable rice. Yes, it's my first time making it and I trust it will go well. So in our ingredients today we have rice, pre-cooked rice. If you haven't watched that video, please do so. And we have peas, pre-cooked peas. We have red, green and yellow peppers. We have onion and garlic. If you have any other vegetable, you can add like corn and French beans. So let's start by preparing our ingredients.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you,